Hello, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and today I wanted to show you my shopping haul and just unboxing some of the goodies that I've got. So it's been a couple of months since I bought anything and I've gone big this time. There's lots of bargains out there, so I'm going to go through some goodies that I got online, but also some that I got in the shops, which I'll start with these. So recently been to Melbourne on a business trip. We don't have a KaiserCraft here at all in Perth, so took advantage whilst I was in Melbourne. What I'm showing you here are the packs that I bought. These are an absolute bargain. You get 10 stamps for $10. I originally went first of all and got a pack of the 10 stamps as well as 10 stencils for $10, but ended up going back the following day for some more. So this was just a little studio tidy that I got just to try and organise all my brush pens and get all my colours sorted. So I'll have a try on that and see if that helps me be a bit more organised. But look at the amount of stamps that I've managed to get here. It's absolutely crazy. So I'm going to put this on fast forward just so you can have a better click view of the ones that I've got, just in case you're interested in getting them as well. Like I say, an absolute bargain at they'll work out $1 each. I know some of them I probably won't use, the vintage ones, but that's fine. I can use them for a de-stash later. But yeah, a lot of these really good quality KaiserCrafts. I do like their stamps. Normally some of these retail starting at $7, $8 each. Some of these bigger ones at $12. So definitely can't go wrong in getting these bargain packs. They did also have some die packs as well. You get 10 for $20. But I just stuck with these particular stamps and also the stencils. Now the stencils are something that I've not really got much of, but I wanted to try and get a few just to start practicing with some mixed media. So finding a pack for 10 was absolutely perfect. It gives me some different designs to work with. So you can see I got quite a few Christmas ones, which was great timing for my December daily. And then moving on to the stencils. So again, the only ones I've got of these are these smaller size ones, which are normally $6, and these bigger packs are usually $12.99 each. So although some of them I probably will never use, it's still good value. These thicker ones as well, they say are best for multimedia. So again, really pleased that I managed to find these on my trip to Melbourne, and I hope they open a shop in Perth soon. So I'll put all those away and I'll start to show you what I've got online. Now this first thing is a Sizzix Bigs die for fabric. Now I've actually got myself a big shot for Christmas. I don't have it yet, it's still in its box. I'm being a very good girl not using it, but I definitely needed this fabric print to help me with my quilting. Now this little box, this was from Studio Calico. And you see a few more little stamps. Now again, I only bought these because of the sale. I don't think I paid more than a couple of dollars for each of these products. I think the entire box was probably $50 in total. I'm addicted to these little stamps here. That was a Christmas one, again thinking of my December daily. But the inks as well, normally you'd pay $6 for an ink, and these were only $2 each. So whilst I was there, I did get some of these little card packs, so I'm just quickly flicking through these as well for you. Apologies, I really don't know the names of the months. As you know, Studio Calico does lots of subscriptions for the Happy Mail and so on, but these are just again ones that I picked up just because of the price of them. And I love these little glassine bags that they come in. I always keep these handy just to put some die cuts in and to separate things. This particular kit, I don't know if that was intentional or not. There's two of everything, which is really strange. Double-sided again, but some great ones here, and they're really good quality, nice and thick. So I think I'll definitely make use of these as well. And the little cross pattern as well that I really like. Now this particular pack, I didn't realise till I bought it that it was really thick chipboard, which you'll see here. So I'm not sure if I am going to make use of these or not, but unless I can kind of peel some of the cardboard off. Some alphas as usual and some sentiments as well. I think they were only $1. Now this one was a little bit of a surprise to me. Mink, I'm trying to get into foiling, so when I saw this for a few dollars I thought it was great. Going to need to do a bit of research and figure out how to actually use that though, because not what I expected. And then this is another little card pack, but these are not double-sided, these are just single-sided, but still quite fun. Easter stamp kit, and it's got a nice little die as well just for the eggs. Pity it's not got them for the bunny and the chick. And then these little packs as well, so I'm obsessed with planning. I've got way too many planners, but anyway, these are really nice when they're blank, so I can use them for anything. Now this last box was from Scrapbookcom. Again, the sales were on. Liquid pearls, I love liquid pearls. These were just over $1 each, and this is also part of my Christmas present. So when I start to use my big shot, I've got my caddy ready to go. And again, it was a good price. I've been looking for that, and it's been sold out in quite a lot of places, so I was lucky to grab that. Also picked up the little scissors as well that I need for fussy cutting, because the ones that I use just are not small enough. Some perfect pearls, they were $1 each. Normally I pay $5 here in Perth for those, and the embossing pad is normally $10, and that was reduced to $5. Again, a few things ready for Christmas. Some of these bigger die sets, the nested dies, which I'll need to put away until I can use my big shot, but couldn't miss upon the bagging. And this stamp chamois, again has been sold out so much, but I was able to find it online. Now just quickly showing you, I do have a little diamond press which I've been using, and that's why these little lawn fawn stamps and die cuts are perfect, because they still fit my diamond press, and I love these little critters on these for card making. So really good. I realised I made a boo-boo there and didn't order the actual stamp for the octopi, so I'll need to sort that out, but you see some more sentiments there, so I need to get that one ordered. But again, these were a great price. Paid less than half price that I normally would do in the shop, so really pleased with these purchases. So that was my haul. Won't be another one now probably until Black Friday in November, but thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it.